Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can apply like an overlay on top of your videos on CapCut PC. So for instance, I want to overlay like this galaxy video on top of that. So I'm just going to select this video. I'm just going to simply apply it on top. Go to blend mode and either choose brighten, screen, darken. Just choose any of the blend mode that you want, or even you just select the overlay button, and you are just going to adjust it according to your liking by pressing the opacity right here if you'd like to. But yeah, that is basically it. Super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!